people, and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Fab. So tonight I am back with this unboxing video of some beautiful hair that I received from Jolia Hair of Amazon, and they are a Amazon based company. They were kind enough to reach out to me and ask me if I wanted to do a review on their hair, and I was so freaking excited, guys. This is actually my first collab working with a hair company. With the couple videos that I have on my channel, that I've done wigs and I've done sews, and you know, sewing the wigs and everything is finally paying off. So they were kind enough to reach out to me and ask me if I wanted to do a review on their products. So hey, I went ahead and I said yes, which I'm forever grateful. The customer service girl that I dealt with, she was very kind, very sweet, explained everything to me. So they sent me the Malaysian Virgin curly hair, and I received the inches of 16, 18 and a 20 inch. And guys, for all three bundles, it's only $117.11. You can't beat that. For anyone who's purchasing virgin hair, like, that is freaking cheap. I remember back in the day when virgin hair first came on the market, like, people who used to wear pack hair could not afford to buy virgin hair. I think they used to have this thing that was called, was it Remy? No, it was Remy hair. You had Remy hair, and then you had like the pack hair, like the premium and stuff. Well, girls, listen, I'm not gonna come on here and pretend like I was rich, because I'm not rich. A girl budget. And I used to wear my premium. I used to hate Milky Way though. I hated Milky Way, but that's a whole different story. So anyhow, so this is the 16 inch. First of all, let's start with packaging. The packaging of the box is freaking amazing. Like, look at that, guys. And they have on the box with a little bit about their company. They're like, why choose us? Honesty, profession, thoughtful communication, or Jolia service principles. We make sure to deliver the hair within 24 hours after payment and verified. We treat every customer as our family and help them with their unique beauty with Jolia hair. We will reply as soon as possible to solve your customer problems, guys. And they have recommendations if you want to, how to care for the hair, basically. So I only received the 3 bundles of hair in the box, which I have one in my hands, and they were kind enough to send me some lashes, which thank you guys so much for that. So I'm going to start off with the 20 inch, and let's see how this works out. How I'm actually going to be doing this, guys, I'm actually going to be installing this hair tomorrow. So I think I might do a mini vlog with that, how my style is going to do it. I'm going to make a U-part wig. I don't think I will be doing the tutorial on how to make a U-part wig, because there's already one on my channel already, which I will link it in my description bar down below. But this is the hair, guys. Off the bat, the hair is so freaking soft. This hair is freaking soft, like, no word of joke. And the smell, it has the regular hair smell, which regular standard, nothing too funky. I do love it. The one thing I do notice is that I will have to go in and actually color this hair. How I plan to do this hair, I'm going to put it on a U-part wig, like what I said before, but I'm going to be doing a different technique. I'll be using the strata lens below, and then I put in the strata lens, so which I will start with the 16 on the bottom, then I will work with the 18 in the middle, and then I'll apply the 20 inch on top. Guys, I'm so freaking excited to try this hair. Like, I am so freaking excited for this. This should actually, with that, how I'm going to layer it, that should give it like a asymmetrical, is that the word? Like, you know, that perfect little cut, because I don't want it to look too, like, yeah, I'm wearing a weave, because, you know, with the U part, I'm going to have most of my hair let out, so it blends more naturally. So I'm really excited for that. It has the brownish color. Like I said, I don't normally wear brown color, but on camera it's coming off dark. I don't have to color it if I don't wanna, but hey, that's just my style. So we're gonna look at the 16 inch. I'm not gonna make this video long, guys, because I will be coming back with an installation video for you guys. So this is just the unboxing. Customer service was amazing. She was really nice to me. It actually took 3 days to get to me, which is pretty fast, and which is pretty much the standard shipping time to receive here. and I think their warehouse is actually in the States, so I don't think it came directly from China. I think it's the same as You Nice here, where they have their AliExpress site, but the US site, which is based on Amazon, I think it ships from the US. So this is like so freaking perfect, yo. Like, look at that. And I'm not getting any fallout. Oh no, I got one strand, but one strand's not bad. It's not bad, just one strand, guys, one strand. And it's curly hair, so I'm going to put this in. I plan to wear this hair for at least 2 weeks, so it gives me more in depth of how the hair wear, and you know, if it tangles, if it sheds more, you know, how it actually upheld. So yeah guys, I'm super excited, I'm super spooked. Thank you so much, Jolia, for actually choosing me to bring forward this video for you guys. I'm truly forever grateful, and I just hope that in the future to come I will be able to review more products for you guys. So if you guys love this unboxing, please do not forget to check this video out, and don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share my video. Also, I will be leaving a link down below to take you to the store on Amazon if you guys are interested to purchase this here. But stay tuned, because I will be back with the installation video, guys. I'm so excited for this. You can see it on my face. Anyhow guys, love you so much, and I see you in the next one.